Hello, this is Tamara Evans, Digital Services Librarian at the Kings County Library. Today, I'm going to introduce you to the Chilton's Library Database, which is great to help with car repairs. Before we begin, you want to make sure you have your Kings County Library card available, since you'll need your library card number to access this resource from home. To begin, you want to go to the library's website, which is located at kingscountylibrary.org. Next, you're going to navigate to the brown Research button and then click on it. Once you reach the research webpage, then you're going to scroll to the menus, the database table, and then click the blue button that says See All Databases. From the database webpage, you'll notice that all the library's databases are listed in alphabetical order. Having said this, we're going to scroll down until we see Chilton's Library, and then click the area underneath the title that says Click here to access. I previously logged in with my library card number, and therefore it's going to take me right to the main screen. So this is the home screen for the Chilton Library database. As you can see, there's a total of 5 different options presented. There's Select Vehicle, ASC Test Prep Quizzes, Help, Logout, and an envelope to ask an expert. I'm going to go more in depth during this tutorial. So to begin, to select a vehicle, you want to use the table underneath right here, and it's easy. What you're going to do is you're going to click the down arrow and then select the year of a car that you want, a make or the manufacturer of the car, and then the model of the car. So for this tutorial, we're going to use the example of a 1995 Ford Taurus. So I'm going to click the down arrow and then scroll down until I see 1995, select that. And then for the make, I'm going to scroll till I see Ford. And then for the model, I'm going to scroll until I see Taurus. And then once I have these 3 options set, I'm going to click Select. And you'll be able to tell if your vehicle selector worked correctly, and that you'll notice on top of the screen that it's now populated with other options such as repair, maintenance, labor estimating, bulletin, and recalls. So first, let's go and look at repair. So repair provides diagrams as well as specification tables that you can use if you're trying to repair your car. So for this tutorial, let's say for example that I was wanting to repair my electrical engineering. So I click on electrical engineering, and then if I wanted to work on the cruise control, click on that. And then control switches. And so as you can see, it presents 2 options, removal, installation, or testing. So let's say if I wanted to know about the removal installation of my control switches. As you can see here, it actually has both words as well as diagram in reference to doing this particular repair. So one of the cool things about the Chilton's Library is that not only can you read the information, but you can also listen to it. So let's see what that would be like.
Removal of installation. Caution. Some vehicles are equipped with an inflatable restraint or airbag system.
So you can listen to that through here, or you can also click the download button if you want to listen to that at a later time. The next option is maintenance. And so maintenance provides suggested maintenance in reference to repairing your car based on mileage. And so to use this feature, you're going to select a submodel of your car, liters, fuel type, and then as you can see, it pre-populated cylinders, drive, body type, transmission, and then I'll pick operating system. So as you can see, it's by default going for 5,000 miles, but you can always change that to, 20,000 miles. Press enter, and it will give you updated information. You do also have the option to click where it says view full chart, which will show you complete maintenance schedule chart for the particular car that you chose, like so. And so you have the option to look at this on the screen, and you also have the option to print this chart out as well. Okay, the third option presented is in reference to the labor estimating. And so if you were having a problem with something, again, let's use the example of cruise control. And then press search. It'll show you the different things that could be connected to the cruise control. So then click on one here, one of these. And so what this is going to do is present the OEM, which is original equipment manufacturer or dealer hours for the car, or regular hours. And so if you just go to your private mechanic, as you can see, that will be what the regular hours are for, and you can switch between regular or severe. So regular usage or severe usage. And as you can see, this is the regular usage is grayed out for my particular car, but just be aware that for your car that you select, you may have the option of regular time as well as severe time. Okay, next topic is bulletin and recalls. And so this shows any bulletins or recalls that have been made in reference to the car that you selected. So as you can see here, scrolling down, it actually shows when the issue date for that particular recall was made, what the recall is, type of recall. You can actually also click to listen to the recall being read, or if you click on the title, it'll actually open up in a second, so you can read it yourself if you so choose. Okay, so then the next option here, this is the ASE test prep quizzes. And so ASE stands for Automotive Service Excellence. This doesn't necessarily pertain to cars. However, this is necessary if you're someone who is wanting to obtain ASE certification to work in the automotive field. So these are just some sample quizzes that you can take to assist with that. If you need help using a database, you can click on the help button, and this will open up a separate tab with information that can assist you in determining how to best use this database. Then lastly, if you need help, you can click right here the envelope for Ask an Expert, and that will give you the option to provide your email address as well as type in any questions that you have regarding the Chilton Library database. Once you're done using this database, you want to make sure that you log out, and you can do that by clicking the Log Out button. This concludes the Chilton Library tutorial. Please make sure that you follow the Kings County Library Facebook page and subscribe to the Kings County Library YouTube channel. Thank you and have a good day.